LinkedIn is a very popular social media platform that allow people to connect with the others for the business and the personal reasons. However, it does not come without some common mistakes that people tend to make. So, here are some of the tips to avoid the most common LinkedIn mistakes. First is not customizing your profile. One of the first thing people should do when creating a LinkedIn profile is to customize it to their own interests and needs. This will help attract more attention to your profile and make it more interesting to read. Second is not creating a compelling objective. Another common mistake people make on LinkedIn is not creating a compelling objective. People need to understand what they want to achieve on the LinkedIn and create a clear purpose for their profile. This will help them stand out from the competition and attract more attention to their profile. Next is not using a headline and a summary. Another mistake the people make is not using a compelling headline and a summary. This is where you need to be clear about what you are looking for in a job or a partnership opportunity and why you are the best fit for the opportunity. Next is not using the right keywords. Another mistake people make is not using the right keywords. This is important because it can help attract more attention to your profile and it gives you more opportunities to network with others. Next is not engaging with the others. One of the most important thing people need to do on LinkedIn is to engage with others. This means posting engaging content and responding to others who comment on your post. This will help you build the relationships and also increases your chances of getting more opportunities. Next is not using filters. One of the best feature of the LinkedIn is the filters. This allows the people to block the certain type of the contents and get the more options for the jobs and opportunities. People need to be sure to use the filters on their profile and keep them up to date. Next is not using the profile insights. Another mistake the people make is not using the profile insights. This allows people to see what other people are interested in and use that as a guide for their own content. This will help attract more attention to their profile and give them more opportunities to network with others. Next is not using the applications. This is also one of the best feature of the LinkedIn is the applications. This allow the people to connect with the others for the jobs and opportunities. People need to be sure to use the application on their profile and use them often. This will help them increase their chances of getting more opportunities. Next is not using the company page. One of the best feature of the LinkedIn is the company page. This allows the people to connect with their company and increase their chances of getting more opportunities. People need to be sure to use the company page on their profile and update it often. This will help them stand out from the competition and attract the more attention to their profile. Next is not using the company branding and website. This is the another mistake the people make is not using the company branding. This is important. Why? Because it helps people stand out from the competition and attract more attention to their profile. This will help them get more opportunities and increase their chances of getting higher. So these are some of the mistakes you should avoid on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.